Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to check battery level for your headphones JBL Tune Beam on your iOS device. Basically you have a few options how to do it. The first one is to create a widget, so just press and hold on empty space, then click plus, scroll down and click on batteries. Now choose the best one widget for you. Let's say that's okay for me, then click add widget. And we can check a better level of our headphones. And the second option, and the better option for me, is to use an application. So just open it, and right here we can see a better level of our earbuds and also a charging case. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!